Good morning, friends. It's Saturday, and I just put hard food because my husband said he notices a cat coming at night. So, and I set the trap. So we're set for tonight. Tonight we'll put the soft food. It's very quiet. I haven't seen anybody except for, or I shouldn't say I haven't seen anyone. The birds. The birds are coming out. Put some peanuts around. I filled fresh water. Hi, this is the one that came over before, I believe. He's enjoying the little row that I put down here. Let's take a look. It's very early. Let's check out the secret garden on Saturday. Oh, look what I see here. They're enjoying the peanut breakfast. Very quiet. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. You can see some scattered here. Look at those fluffy tails. I don't know, somehow when I see squirrels, I think of autumn. Look how fluffy. This is Saturday, and spectacular Saturday. Look at that. They are precious. I'm enjoying them. Anyway, it's quiet. There's no one else. Shh, nice and quiet. I'm going to let them enjoy getting a little peace without having a whole herd come and eat all their food. Everything's full. Let's see if peeking through the window will bring anything else. I don't think so. I think everybody's sleeping in late. Maybe they're foraging back there. It's nice and lush. Take care, everyone.